Are you looking for the fastest way to send money from China to Zambia? Whether you're paying family, business partners, suppliers, or freelancers, speed matters. Waiting days for international bank transfers can slow down business or leave your loved ones waiting. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and safest way to send money from China to Zambia without unnecessary delays. Let's get started. Sending money from China using traditional banks can be slow and expensive. International bank transfers often take 3 to 5 business days. Fees can be high. Exchange rates may not be favorable, and sometimes payments are delayed due to verification checks. If you need money fast, delays like this are not acceptable. So, what's the solution? The fastest way to send money from China to Zambia is by using a trusted payment agent who understands both Chinese payment systems and Zambian local payment methods. That's where I come in. I help individuals and businesses send money from China to Zambia quickly, securely, and efficiently. Whether it's a family remittance, business payment, or supplier transaction, I handle the process professionally. Here's how it works. Step 1. Contact me on WhatsApp only. Step 2. Send me the payment details and the amount to send. Step 3. The sender in China completes the payment using the agreed method. Step 4. I process the funds and deliver them locally in Zambia. Step 5. You or your recipient confirm receipt. Fast, simple, reliable. Why choose me? I am a trusted and well-known online entrepreneur in Zambia. I have years of experience handling international payments and digital currency exchanges. Transparent fees, no hidden charges, fast processing times, professional and secure communication, a strong reputation built on trust and results. When sending money internationally, speed and reliability are everything. I make sure your funds reach Zambia safely and quickly. Very important. To avoid scams or impersonators, contact me on WhatsApp only. Do not trust anyone claiming to represent me through unofficial channels. WhatsApp only. If you want the fastest way to send money from China to Zambia, get in touch with me today. Message me on WhatsApp only to get started. Let's make your international payments fast and stress-free. See you on WhatsApp.